Good afternoon. This is Rahim, and currently I'm located in Pune. It's summer started, and currently there is 32 degrees Celsius. The weather is 32 degrees Celsius, and it's pretty hot here. And I'm just making this video to encourage everyone to keep some water in their balcony or in their garden so that animal and the birds can have that water to drink because it's pretty hot outside. So I just kept one bucket of water so the animals and the birds can come and drink whatever they want. And I would like to encourage everyone to do so. Please do this, and you'll get Jannat inshallah. Thank you.